There are many internal operational choices that can be made to improve the predictability and evenness of demand. Some of these are about daily scheduling and others are quite strategic. Let's have a look at a few. First, resist overproduction, or we could instead say resist just-in-case production. This would mean building or producing just in case we might need it in the future, or just to keep busy because there's no confirmed demand right now. Building to stock can be good for smoothing demand, keeping an even production schedule, making a bit of finished goods stock that you know you will sell soon. But too often, scheduling giant, efficient batches of work with no confirmed customer in order to keep busy is a bad waste, and then it clogs up the system from being able to deliver immediate real customer orders. Overproduction is a chronic form of waste with lots of extra costs and consequences, least of all adding to our inventory, our lead times, and reducing our flexibility. The opposite of just in case would be just in time, JIT, which is a very popular phrase from lean manufacturing, for good reason. Just in time would mean only producing what is needed when it is needed, but it relies on a very reliable supply chain and consistent reliable processes, so those are things we want to work towards. Next up, don't overreact to small changes in customer demand and therefore internally amplify the variation. Many businesses use SPC control charts, statistical process control, and if the changes in demand are within their acceptable natural variation, don't change the schedule. Do what you can to keep the operations flowing as evenly as possible, even in the face of modest external forces. Moving on, consider if a build-to-order strategy can help improve flow and level demand in your operations. A build-to-order strategy is only possible when your operations have a short lead time and low work-in-progress inventory, a benefit of some of the earlier suggestions. Finally, what can we do to add the customization of the product or service as late as possible in the overall process? If we make a product in many colours, maybe we can build the pieces or the product in white or unpainted to stock, so we don't have the crazy long customer lead times, and then only do the building to order for the custom variants at the very end. This is great for controlling inventory levels and reducing the risks of making things to stock that maybe can't be sold. This helps because demand for the overall product we make might be quite stable, even if the demand for the blue version or the red version is much more variable. So, late customization can help, or, as a lean practitioner might tell you, to push the push-pull boundary further back, so there's more pulling and less pushing. There's a lot of ideas there, which are suitable in different circumstances. Many of the ideas have many benefits, but remember, the overall aim here is reducing the variation and uncertainty of the demand placed upon our operations, working towards a smooth, even flow, even in a world of disruption and uncertainty.